Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to make carrot cakes, guys. Okay, so this is gonna be look like, guys. Yeah. Okay. So before I continue the video, I am going to collect all my ingredients. Okay, dogs. I have to put all my ingredients, and I will show you guys, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the baking pan that I'm going to use. It is 9 by 13 inches. Yeah, so it's quite big. Okay, and alright guys, so it's called for 2 cups of grated carrots. So I'm going to prepare my carrots, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm going to prepare my carrots. I have to clean my carrots. See if I can get 2 cups of flour for 4 medium carrots. Okay, dokes. It's rained already, guys. Umulan na kanina. So, pero konti lang. Ayan. So, ito yung ano natin carrots. So here you go, guys. This is our 2 cups of grated carrots. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some more ingredients. Alright, so we need 2 cups and 1/4 of flour. We're using this flour, guys. All-purpose flour from Prairie. 2 and 1/4 cups. And then 1. And then baking powder, baking soda, and ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon each. So yun, guys, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then salt. Konting salt. 1/4 ng teaspoon. Too much. Yan, guys. And then, ano to, guys? Ano to, guys? Diba? Ayan. natin ito guys. Mix natin. Yan ating dry ingredients. Ayan. So ready na ang ating dry ingredients guys. Ang susunod natin i-prepare yung yung wet ingredients. Okay. And guys, for wet ingredient guys, gamit tayo ng bowl. Ganito. So we need guys, sugar, oil, and eggs. Okay, so alright guys, need tayo ng 4 na eggs. Ito. Ayan. At mayroon din tayong 1 handful of dried raisins guys. Raisins, and then isoak ko siya ng warm water. Ilagay din natin siya sa cake, sa butter. Okay. So guys, gamit tayo ng brown sugar 1 cup at white sugar 1/2. Hindi natin lahat i-white sugar. So so ito yung guys, white sugar. Ayan. Balik natin yan. At gamit tayo ng brown sugar. Brown sugar. Ayan. 1 cup. Tayo ng oil. So, 1 cup of oil guys. Dito. Alright guys, so 1 cup muna guys. 1 cup oil. Gamit natin is canola oil kasi maraming canola oil dito sa Canada. Ito yung nila, oil dito. Canola. Canola oil. And guys, i-beat natin dito. Hala, ang sulo. And then 1 egg. 1 egg at a time daw. Para hindi Kalawang egg. So here you go guys, our egg, sugar, and oil. So ayan guys, nilagay natin ang dry mixture sa wet mixture. Yung carrots, really carrots. So yung guys, yung raisins. Ayan guys, ito na guys yung butter guys. Ilalagay na natin sa baking pan. Stay tuned. Hintayin lagyan natin ng parchment paper para mabilis siyang makita. Okay. At sprayhan natin guys ng konti. Yan. Sa gilid. Para hindi siya didikit. Yan, so lagay na natin to. So here it goes guys, ready to put in the oven. And here comes clean. 50 to 60 minutes. Cool in the pan for 10 minutes before removing the coal completely in the wire rack. 50 to 60 minutes guys. Nilagyan natin sa oven. Ayan guys, nag-bake na siya. Nalagyan natin. So, hayaan natin for 60 minutes. Here you go guys. Luto na ang ating carrot cake. Ayan, ang ganda ng color. Yummy, yummy. Ayan, i-ano muna natin guys. I-rest muna natin siya kasi mainit pa. So, hayaan muna natin siya ng mga 10 minutes there. Alright. Yummers. Oh, that's easy. Easy peasy. See? That's the trick. Close. I wonder if this will work. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Nom 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 nom. Turn around. Yum. Reese's. So guys, luto na yung cake natin guys. Try natin na yan. Try natin to. Look at that square. How's that? Tastes good? Yan, ang sarap ng ano. Try cents guys. Oh my god. So soft. Goodness. So spongy. So good. Amazing. So good.